Hi guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this video, I'll show you how you can add social media follow buttons like this in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder. To add the similar looking social media icons, first you need to log into the dashboard. Once you successfully logged in, go to Posts and click on Add New. Now here you have to add post title. Now publish the post. After publishing, click on Use Divi Builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will click on Start from Scratch. Now here select a single row and search social follow. Here you can see social media follow module. Click on it. Here you have two different social media follow buttons. You can add multiple by clicking on this duplicate button. Now click on this gear button. Here you can change the network. I will change Facebook to Amazon. In link you can add a link URL. You can also change background color like this. From design, you can change icon color. Click on this tick button. Go to this Twitter icon. You can change its icon and here you can add link. Click on this tick button. Change the networks here. Now change that network in last one. Click on this tick button. Go to design. Here you can change alignment. I will line it in center. Here you can change all icons color. Now click on this tick button. Click on these three dots and save the post. Now you have successfully updated the post. Just click on Exit Visual Builder button. Now here you can see you have social media follow buttons. There is the Amazon, the YouTube link and Twitter. When you click on this button, it will take you to given link. Here you have to add your custom link. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel to get notified about future updates about Divi Builder. Thanks for watching.